Hi mommies, this is Tanya, Noor's mom. So today I'm going to show you a day in my life with Noor, my 8-month-old daughter. Hi mommies, good morning. So it's 6:45 a.m. and Noor has woken up 15 minutes earlier today. So as you can see, I'm still opening my eyes and still sleepy. But I'm not going to pick her up from a crib right now. I'm going to let her stay there till 7 because that's her wake up time. And even if she wakes up earlier, I let her be till 7 so that she knows that that's her, that's the time when she's supposed to wake up. So I'm going back to bed for 15 minutes while Noor stays in her crib. So now it's 7 a.m. and we've come out of our room to Noor's playroom out in the sun. And I'm going to change her diaper and give her some water to drink from a straw cup. So Noor is having her water from her straw cup. So I give her water early in the morning, the first thing in the morning. Just like we have water when we wake up the first thing in the morning. Now it's around 7:20 and I've given her one toy to play with. So she's going to play with it for another 15-20 minutes. So it's 7:45 a.m. now and I'm going to give Noor her breakfast. So this is a pear, steamed pear, and she's going to have half of it. So this is a whole pear. She's going to have half of it and the rest of the half I'm going to give it to her during the day. So it's 8:05 a.m. now. So Noor surprisingly finished the entire of her pear, one full pear. Now I am going to make her formula. I'm going to give her 6 ounces of milk and I'm going to add her 1 ml of 400 IU vitamin D drops in the bottle itself. So now it's 8:20 and I am feeding her formula milk on the bed on a pillow. So we're done with Noor's feed and now I've put her down on her play mat with a few toys. So as you are seeing, she's toppled the box again and she wants to choose her own toy. So while she does that, I am quickly going to the washroom and I'm gonna go get ready for my workout. And now from now onwards till around 9:45ish, 10ish, Noor's dad is going to take care of her while I finish my workout. So it's around 8:45 now and I am ready for my workout. I will work out for around an hour while Noor's dad is going to be responsible for her for the next 1 hour and I do my workout in peace. But I know that there is going to be some disturbance in between because the moment I start working out, Noor senses it and she comes to my workout room and sits here. So, like I was saying, I was just about to start my workout and she heard my voice, and now she is coming to join me in my workout. हाय बेबी, आप वर्कआउट करोगे मम्मा के साथ? हाँ, आ जाओ. Yes, come. Come. Now it's 9:30 and it's time for Noor's massage and bath. So 15-minute massage followed by a 10-minute bath. So this is Sheila ji. This is Noor's massage auntie and now she's a very experienced lady. She's been doing it for more than 30-40 years. So it's 9:50 a.m. and my workout is over. Noor has gone for her bath now. So I also tend to go for my bath at the same time so that I'm ready by the time she's ready, and then I can quickly take her for her feed and then put her down for a nap. So I'm ready now and I'm going to quickly go and prepare Noor's milk. So I'm going to be giving her another 6 ounces of formula, and then I'm going to put her down for a nap. So now it's 10:05 a.m. and I'm going to give Noor her 6 ounces of formula. She will sleep by 10:15 and she'll sleep till 12 o'clock. So while she is going to sleep, I'm going to be working on the blog and I'm going to be having my breakfast. So this is my green tea here and I have my bowl of fruits here. So she's going to be on my feeding pillow most of the time. But if she permits, in between, I try to put her down on the bed. Noor has just woken up. She's a little lazy. So when she wakes up fully, I'm going to make her read a few books and then let her play with some cloth books or her toys, or even if she wants to crawl in the room while I go prepare her lunch. Lunch will be at around 12:45 p.m. So now it's 12:40 p.m. and Noor is ready to have her lunch. So she's wearing this full sleeve plastic apron bib. I'll be linking it below. So what we're having today is the tomato mix vegetable soup, for which the recipe I've already posted in my blog before. There's some water and there is 1 spoon of Nestle A+ probiotic dahi. So it's almost 1 o'clock and Noor's lunch is over, and you can see from her face that she's had a nice full meal. And now I'm going to let her play on the high chair for a little bit and I'll show you what all I give her to make her sit here for a while. I will also give her some water now. So now I'm going to be putting this tree teether here. It's a great teether because it is a suction and it doesn't come out and gives babies plenty of time to play with it when they bounce it, as you can see here. So she plays with it for around 5-10 minutes and then ultimately tries to pull it off. And at the same time, I also give her another teether. I give her the Zoli teether to hold on to, which she very nicely holds on to and chews on. So when she throws that, she reaches out to the tree teether, plays with it, and after she is done with those, then either I give her these balls or I give her these beads to play with. I put them on her chair and then she throws them and we pick it up. That's her game. So this will continue for another 15-20 minutes while I get time to cook some lunch for ourselves. It's 1:20 now. So we've got her out of the chair and now she is playing on her play mat in the drawing room with a few toys. So now it's 2 p.m. and me and my husband Robin are going to have lunch. So we've put Noor onto the swing so that she can sit in this and enjoy her teether for 10-12 minutes while we have our lunch. So it's 2:15 now and we're done with our lunch. And now I'm quickly going to change Noor's diaper, give her 0.5 ml of iron drops, and then make her formula. Again, I give her 6 ounces of formula here, and then I'm going to put her for a nap. So it's 2:30 p.m. now and she's getting a little restless, so it's going to be the time for her nap. So now she is going to have her 6 ounces of formula and followed by a nap. So usually she sleeps by 2:45 or so for 1 hour 30 minutes or 1 hour 45 minutes. So it's 5 p.m. Noor has just woken up. It's been a rather long nap. She slept at 3. She didn't sleep at 2:45 today. And woke up after 2 hours. Probably she was very tired. So now she's going to laze around on the bed. I'm going to leave her on the floor to crawl around a bit. So it's 5:30 now. Time for the evening snack. So we're having chiku. So now it's 5:50. We are over with our evening snack and we rested somewhat on the chair. Now I've left her down in her playroom with her toys. Look at her, she's having fun in the jumperoo while I have my green tea on the bed. It's 6:25 p.m. and we are ready to go downstairs for a walk in our stroller. Nuru, should we go? Yeah, good girl. So we've come downstairs now and I've given Noor her teether. So we're back. It's 7 o'clock. It's time for her dinner. Since I don't have time to cook anything right now, I'm going to be using this Gerber banana oatmeal cereal because it does not need to be heated or anything. I just need to add plain boiled water to this and it is prepared in like 30 seconds. You can see we're having dinner now and this will hopefully take 10-15 minutes. So it's 7:25 p.m. now. We finished with our dinner and now I am going to eat dinner. Here I'm going to sit and since I eat my dinner early and my husband eats it later, he's going to be playing with Noor for the next 45 minutes or so till I watch some TV and have dinner. So while I'm having my dinner, I give her this plastic bowl, and she loves to play with it. 8 o'clock now and we're having Noor's second last feed of the day. This is 6 ounce. This is effectively the last feed and after this she's gonna get changed and so am I. And we're gonna start Noor's bedtime routine. So we're just gonna wash her hands and feet and mouth and then change her clothes. So have a look. Nuru, it's nighty time. Right hand washi. Left hand washi. Face washi. Teeth brushing. Yeah. And let's wash your feet. And we'll take a little soap and wash your dirty hands. Yeah. Chalo. Again. Right hand washi. And left hand washi. Yay. It's time for Nuru to sleep now. Chalo. Now we are going to go and change her clothes. It's 8:40 p.m. now and Noor is changed and I put her in a sleep sack and now we are going to go to sleep. So I have made like a 4 ounce bottle for her, but sometimes she just drinks 1 ounce, sometimes not even 1 ounce. She just needs it to sleep. So come on, I'll show you how I put her to sleep. So the room is going to be very dark. You won't be able to see. So I put on jazz music and there's a night light on. And now I'm just gonna feed her and she'll sleep while feeding. After that, I will transfer her to the crib and then switch off the night light. And also go to sleep myself because she's gonna wake up multiple times at night. And so that's why I'm going to sleep with her so that I get some sleep. So bye bye and I hope you had a nice day with us.